Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. Today I will be showing you how to make this flavorful, authentic, blended Caribbean green seasoning, so please stay tuned. Okay, so my ingredients are as follows: a couple stalks of scallions, a bunch of parsley, 3 medium onions, 4 heads of garlic, a bunch of thyme, pimento or allspice berries. You don't want to use too much of this because the flavor is very strong and you don't want it to overpower your green seasoning. 2 whole Scotch bonnet peppers, which is optional. I like a bit of heat in my food. If it is that you don't like spice, you can totally omit this, or you can adjust your spice level by removing the seeds, or you can just use one, whichever you prefer. And lastly, a piece of ginger. All my ingredients have already been nicely washed, so I'm gonna start off by peeling my onions, garlic, as well as my ginger. Now there are a few things that I want to make mention of. Firstly, you want to make sure that you use the freshest ingredients. If not, your entire jar of green seasoning may go bad in no time. Secondly, the longer it sits, the better it gets. You can store this in your fridge for about 3 to 4 weeks, although mine doesn't really stay that long because I use it very often. And lastly, feel free to make this your own and add different herbs if you'd like. I like to use this particular blend because it works well in anything that I season it with, and I will definitely list the ingredients in the description for you. So I finished cutting up all my ingredients and I just went ahead and divided them into 2 batches because the blender that I'm using today is not large enough to hold all the ingredients at once. If you have a food processor, you could also use that as well. The first thing I'm going to do is just add a couple tablespoons of water so that it can blend a lot freer, and blend for a few seconds. I like to blend mine to the consistency like this. If you would like, or if you want, you can do yours a bit chunkier. I like to store mine in a glass jar, and I'll be storing mine today in this 16-ounce jar that I'll be repurposing. And there you have it, guys. Flavorful, versatile, blended Caribbean green seasoning. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. And remember, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.